I was born in the path of the winter wind, raised where the mountains are old. Their springtime waters came dancing down, and I remember the tales they told. The whistling ways of my younger days too quickly have faded on by, but all of their memories linger on like the light in a fading sky. River, take me along in your sunshine, sing me your song, ever moving and winding and free. You rolling old river, you changing old river, let you and me, river, run down to the sea. Well, I've been to the city and I've been back again, and I've been moved by some things that I've learned. I met a lot of good people and I called them friends, felt the change when the seasons turned. I heard all the songs that the children sang, and I've listened to love's melody, felt my own music within me rise like the wind in the autumn trees. River, take me along in your sunshine, sing me your song, ever moving and winding and free. You rolling old river, you changing old river, let you and me, river, run down to the sea. Someday when the flowers are blooming still, someday when the grass is still green, my rolling waters will round the bend and flow into the open sea. So here's to the rainbow that's followed me here, here's to the friends that I know, here's to the song that's within me now. I will sing it wherever I go. Help me. River, take me along in your sunshine, sing me your song, ever moving and winding and free. You rolling old river, you changing old river, let you and me, river, run down to the sea. River, take me along in your sunshine, sing me your song, ever moving and winding and free. You rolling old river, you changing old river, let you and me, river, run down to the sea.